And good evening. I'm Chris Willis in for Robert tonight.
And I'm Leslie Rohde. People are seeing gray skies and wet roads all over central Texas this evening. Heavy rains overnight flooded a few roads in our area. This was the scene this morning out on County Road 152 in Georgetown. The creek swallowed up at the road and just shut it down. In
Leander, high water turned this road into a river. There are no reports of flood-related injuries, but you should still be careful if you come across high water. Our Jim Spencer is tracking the rain and more in our First Warning Weather Center. Jim?
Yeah, this fell just like we like it. It was a slow, steady rainfall. Didn't have flash flooding issues, but did get beneficial rainfall totals. Look at some of the higher amounts reported from some of our viewers. Your rain gauges were a little higher than most others. 4.5 inches up in Georgetown or north of there, for example. Same over in Bastrop, 3.75 the Blanco area, as much as 3 inches in South Austin. We had one report of 4.5 inches in North Austin. We're going to look at a whole lot more rainfall totals for you coming up in just a few minutes. But as you can see on KXE and First Warning Weather live Doppler radar right now, there is no rainfall lingering in the area currently. However, this upper level storm is just now crossing the Rio Grande from Mexico. So could we see more rain tonight? I have the answer coming up in First Warning Weather.